Welcome to 17144 Phil C. Peters Road in Winter Garden, Florida. This 2.5 acre home site is in a prime location here in Winter Garden, located just 5 minutes from the Hamlin Shopping District. The lot allows for a very large, spacious environment for your new custom home while not sacrificing proximity to amenities such as shopping and dining and A-rated schools.
Absolutely, and this is an up-and-coming area. There's so much to do around here. This particular site has mature oak trees, mature landscaping, so you can build a brand new custom home, but have the mature landscaping that you can enjoy along with the home. This lot is available for sale. You can bring your own builder, or you can hire Lionhead Homes, custom builder in Winter Garden. Right here is Ed Garrett. Amazing, built our own custom home that we live in today. I can't recommend him more.
That's right, Suzanne. We actually have a couple different floor plans that'll work perfectly for this home site, or we can design a specific floor plan tailored to your needs.
These home sites are very rare. Most neighborhoods have zero lot lines, not a lot of space between your neighbor. This is a very unique property, but still very close to town that you can make all your own.
For more information, please contact us. Our information is in the description.